Hi, I'm Mel from Two Sleepyheads, and today I will be showing you how to create a design in Illustrator from the start to the end. Alright, let's go! Okay, first up we go to Illustrator and click File, New. And for this we will just use 2400 by 2400 pixel and rename the file to any name that you want. Create. There we go. We have this square size. Of course, you can resize it to any size you want. If you're doing TikTok size, it will be 10801920, and if you're doing YouTube, it would be the other way around. So after that, we'll go to Pinterest to gather some inspiration. But of course, if you have inspiration before that, you can just straight away go into design. But sometimes we need some inspiration and some color inspo for us to see what kind of designs are we looking at, or the mood, or typography, mostly the colors and also the vibe. So I really like this color. Let's use this. Just drag it in. We're not copying the design or anything, we're just using their colors. So once you drag it in, we can use the ellipse tool to create little circles at the top of the eyeball, like we always do. You always see in our videos. Okay, let me just show you. Yeah, so we just create these little circles and use the eyedropper tool. Shortcut key is I to eyedrop the colors. So just duplicate a few of these circles and change the color. Just use some of the colors in this design. So yeah, it looks pretty good. You don't have to use all the colors that you selected. It's just for you to have a feel of how you want your design to be, and also to capture what the essence of the entire artwork is going to be like. After you're done selecting all the colors, you can delete the artwork and we can go straight into design. So let's create the background for the artboard. So we go to rectangle tool and create the background. You can change it to any color that you want that's on top. So now you don't have to type in the color code, you just have to use the colors that are on top. So up to you which colors do you want to choose. Let's go with this. So we have this orangey color that's pretty vibrant. After this, we will have to think about the design that we want to create. Typography or any symbol or any pattern that you want to create in the Illustrator, right? If you look at our TikTok page, we usually have all these designs. We usually have a think about it before creating it. Let's do this word Everglow. There's someone commented on our TikTok posts, and sometimes if you need like a little bit of inspiration, you can go to Pinterest and look at the typography design. So let's type out the word Everglow. Just copy paste from our TikTok page. Let's change the font and see what works about this font. It looks pretty cool. So if you like what you're seeing so far, remember to like, subscribe to our channel so that we can do more such videos. Okay, now let's centralize the text and change the gap between each word. Now we will change the color of the word to show some contrasts. I like this font, it looks really abstract. Now we just outline the text, path the text, and duplicate it and make the other one smaller. So the smaller one we will change to another color, and then we shift the bigger one in front. Now we select both and go to Object, Blend and Make. So let's go back to Object, Blend and Blend Options. Steps, I've shown this a few times in my other videos. You can see how we do these blending options. So now if we want to increase, we can increase the steps so that it looks like it's blended. Let's go to maybe 100. Okay, usually 100 does the trick. So you can see there's this pretty cool glow. We click into it and copy the front design and paste it back at the same location, change the color so that it looks like the word that we want, and then we can make the back smaller so that there's a bit more depth of effect, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, I think pink works. Alright, let's make the entire thing smaller and centralize it if we can. So yeah, this is how we did the word Everglow that was commented by one of you on our TikTok. Now let's change the background because it's a little bit plain, right? We will do create gradient mesh, which a lot of you love, and it's the most basic one actually. Let's change the rows to 4 and columns 3. Now you want to lock text in the middle so that we can change the background. So now you select the points using this direct selection tool, change the color. So remember the trick of leaving some of the points white so it has like a little bit of glow effect. Not really white, maybe you can change it, but like, you know, the lighter part of the background color, like the light orange, you can leave some of it. Pink is very close to the color. Just leave this as is. Shift it a little bit so that it has the flow gradient effect, like a liquefied effect. So yeah, this is it. This is how it's done. You can also change some of the points at the edge to another color so that it doesn't look like it's stagnant. So this is how you create a design from the start to the end. So Pinterest is a very important place where we get our ideas. So you can also check out Pinterest for more typography videos as well. It's usually videos from TikTok, so do follow us on TikTok and Instagram as well. And if you want us to do any work, you can comment in the comment section below. Maybe we can do a design of it. Alright, that's it. Let me know what you think. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Do follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and also visit our website. Drop us an email or DM if you want any help or you need any help with your creative services, any branding, social media. Also, if you want to learn how to better your design skills, do like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so that we can continue to do more such videos. Alright, till next time. Bye!